Bamboo store. Cat. Bamboo is blue. Blue bamboo. Davison. Good try. Come on, blue bamboo. The silent work. Heel. To 12. Like a cat. I have cat solution. Wait. Hey. Sorry, sir. Oops. Ooh. Love the last cat. It is the floor. It is a dog. No floor. Try again. Breathe. The float. Okay. Floating. Stings. Interference. Listen. The wind is speaking. Listen. Knock. It sounds like the world's music. Is it relaxing? Eyes trained to talking listens? Basic. There's a harmony. Like the symbol. Nature is a fine music. Oh, I keep sleep here. Oh, we must cooperate. See the secret side. Wait. No, it's stinging. No, David. It is slow. It is a mental flow. It is a magical tale. I cannot simply. Let's try to make some flair. Others misunderstands and magic danger. Follow my voice. I was doing my colors. Marker, Dad, please slow me. I am holding bamboo. Dad, that is a tree. Oh, sorry, Mr. Tree. Oh, almost there. I will say like the hair. It is a vending machine? David, focus. Knock. It looks like a proofs. It's a temple. Oh, okay, welcome to the silent flags. Wow. It is so beautiful, friends. Intermission complete. Yeah. And now, next meeting. Inge is gone. What it means? The gate it is fall. Puchu, jol bro now. Marco? Flo? Anyone there? It's kind of David. Hastings is not hiding. My skills? My leading, not hiding. Ooh. The fog is a stop. It is cold. Streak. Quick. It's quick.